Warm up. Close your eyes and breathe 5 times. Stretch left. Stretch right. Camel pose. Bow pose. Plow pose. Triangle pose right. Triangle pose left. Warrior pose right. Warrior pose left. Tree pose. Tree pose other side. Cow pose. Boat pose. Chair pose. Child pose. Dog pose. Downward facing dog pose. Frog pose. Plank pose. Dancer pose. Shoulder stand. Standing forward bend. Balancing table pose. Lotus pose. Cobra pose. Butterfly pose. Thank you for watching.
If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.